Today we are going to learn about powers, also known as exponent. Power means multiplying a number by itself one or more times. For example, 3 into 3 multiplied by 2 times by itself is 9. 3 into 3 into 3, that is 3 multiplied by itself 3 times is 27. And 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 is 81. There are two parts of power. One is base and one is exponent. For example, 3 raised to 2. So base is your 3 and 2 becomes your exponent. So whatever is at bottom, it becomes base. And whatever is at top, that is 2, it becomes exponent. So coming back to the example, 3 multiplied by 3. So 3 becomes our base, and since it is multiplied 2 times, it becomes 2 is your exponent. 3 is multiplied 3 times. So it becomes your 3 raised to 3. That is 3 is your base and 3 becomes your exponent. Again 3 is the base and it is multiplied 4 times by itself. So 4 becomes your exponent. Now there are 3 forms of exponent. One is exponent form. One is expanded form. And the last one is standard form. So for example, 2 raised to 3. 2 is the base, 3 is exponent. So it is written in exponent form. Expanded form means we have to expand something. So 2 is multiplied 3 times by itself. Okay, so this becomes your expanded form. Now standard form is the answer of 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8. So this is your standard form. Similarly 5 raised to 2. So 5 is multiplied 2 times by itself. And the answer becomes 25. That is your standard form. We can get such type of questions that which number is greater than another one. For example, 6 cube or 3 raised to 6. Which is greater? What we will do is 6 cube is 6 into 6 into 6, which is 216, and 3 raised to 6 is 3 multiplied 6 times. The answer is 729. Since 729 is greater than 216, 3 raised to 6 becomes greater than 6 raised to 3. So this is how you can answer the question, just by finding or converting exponent form into the standard form and then comparing the final result. Hence you can give the answer as 3 raised to 6 is greater than 6 cube or 6 raised to 3. Thank you. Please subscribe to our videos.